Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, we want to review this DJI Action 2, unbox it, show you what you get inside this dual screen combo package. Now DJI Action 2, they give this magnetic protective case. Now this is a ventilated case. They now issue this for free because it helps reduce the heat issue that they originally had. So now the heat is evenly distributed. Battery life on this while recording will last a lot longer, so this can go up to 40 minutes to an hour with the external added battery, and this second screen is an extended battery. So you can get this in an extended battery only without the dual screen. However, this dual screen gives you 2 additional mics, which will give you better noise cancellation. So highly recommend getting the dual screen versus the extended battery package. So this is the bundle double package, and we'll open this up in a brief moment. This DJI Action 2 has magnetic versatility, so easy snap on and off for your head mount, chest mount, or bike mount, for example. It records in 4K 120 feet per second. So it has super wide FOV. You also have accessory, is portable, wearable, it's waterproof, up to 10 meters. And it has dual OLED touchscreen display for this version. You can buy the one with just one screen and external battery as well. So it has stabilizer. So if you toss this around, it always will sit flat. And this has this extra case, as I mentioned, so we'll open that up after. So let's go ahead and see what's inside here. So shipping is very fast, within 1 to 2 days, and I'll post a link where you can get this. It's currently on sale right now, so up to 27% off, which is a huge discount. Usually they don't give that much. Nice box. As always, DJI do have very good packaging. So let's see what we have here. So quick instruction, you have QR code to scan to download the DJI Mimu app. And that's what you use to connect to this device. Very Apple-like with how this is being packaged. If you're gonna copy from the best, I guess. DJI sticker. Let's see what else we got in here. Warranty card, quick start guide. All right. So here's the camera itself. Has a good weight to it, not too heavy, not too light. So there it is, instruction in the back, controller on the top. Here's the back of the actual camera. So there's your screen, and this is your camera. Wow, very nice. So that's one. Here's the second display. So the second display is not the camera itself, but it's a extended battery in addition to a screen. And this is a game changer. Very strong, magnetic. It also locks into place. You have to squeeze it. So there's a lock mechanism on both sides, and you just have to squeeze it and it comes off. Smart design, much easier to mount versus, let's say, the GoPro, right? GoPro, you gotta screw it on, screw it off, USB-C, so you can connect here to do a wire mic, but this can connect to a Bluetooth mic. So this is a metal aluminum casing. It's not plastic, although on the website it looks plastic, but this feels really nice. Very nice, very premium to the touch. So let's turn this bad boy on. Oh, okay. Am I supposed to mount it this way? Okay, so it's not interchangeable. It has to be on opposite side. All right, so let's turn this on. You can see there, select the right language. Okay, so it's defaulted to, I will have to log into the app to set this up. But this is mainly focused on the unboxing and the actual device itself. So I'll do a follow-up on this camera and the quality. We'll be recording more using this device. So what else is in this box? So we have a charging cable and a USB-C to USB-A. Okay. And they also provide you with, what is this? Okay, so this is a lanyard, or one you hang around your neck, and you have it as a front chest camera. I like this a lot. You can magnetize it to be behind your shirt. So how this works should be this. Like that. So it hangs around your neck, and of course you can mount this behind your shirt so you don't see the wires hanging. The magnet is very strong. So this goes right here. This is very strong. Yeah, this is not going anywhere. So that's the lanyard. And then you have, this should be a mounting piece. Yep. Also aluminum. Interesting. Very high quality. Oh, let me take this off. So this can be, yeah, this has a lock as well. It's not going anywhere. Even if you accidentally hit one side of the lock, it's spring loaded. Very nice. Oops. All right, so you have that mounting bracket, and let's see what else they gave us in this combo package. Oh, okay, so tripod mount, or any mount that has a screw right there. Very nice. All right. I'm actually impressed with this. We'll see how the video quality is. So we'll start recording videos on this channel with that mount. And this is supposed to be a suction mount that sticks everywhere and is reusable. So this is a nano rubber. Nano rubber can be reused after cleaning with water. Okay. So you've seen those before. So this mount here you can actually use on here, on this thing as well. So it's actually designed for that, but you can use it for a tripod. All right, so this actually sticks everywhere. I've seen it stick on the side of the wall, like that, or sit on the table, however you like it. Now you can't double stack. Like you can't, well, let's see. Before I even say anything. Actually, you can. So you can double stack. So now you have the 2 display, front display, rear display, plus external battery, 3 mics with noise cancellation. There's 1, 2, I'm sorry, there's 3 extra mic. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So the sound quality on here I heard is very good. So we'll do more of DIY with this. So I'm sure all of you will be happy to see better video quality and stabilization. So remember, subscribe to this channel, support this channel, and you're interested in this product, the link is in the description, as well as pinned in the comments. Highly recommend DJI if you're looking for a drone or camera system, even a mic. Their device is very reliable, customer service is great, and very dependable. So check them out. Again, this is the DJI Action 2. Catch y'all next time. Take care.